How to translate real-time phone call on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra, One UI 6.1. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down up to Advanced feature. Tap on it. Here you can see Advanced Intelligence at the top. Tap on it. Now here you can see Phone option. Tap on it. To get real-time translation during voice call. Now toggle on the Live Translate on your device. Now select the language from me to other person. Tap on OK. Tap on download to download language on your device. Now wait until downloading the language on your device. When you enable live translate, it will real time translate during call. Tap the call assistant button, then select the live translate on the in-call screen anytime to start translating. Wait until complete downloading the language on your Samsung S23 Ultra, S24 Ultra device. Now you can see installing the language on your Samsung S23 Ultra and other device. Installing language. This feature is helpful to real-time translate phone calls. Now you can see installing the language you select on your Samsung device. Now you can make a call to use live translate feature on phone call on your Samsung S23, S24. Now make a phone call on your device. Now when you see a phone call, you can see the call assistant button. Tap on it to use it on your device. Now live translation convert what you and caller say into each other's language. Tap on a live translate. Here you can see translation will start after you say something like this. Here you can see how it looks. How are you? So it's quite useful feature to real-time translate phone calls on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra One UI 6.1 device. You can also tap here to stop translating and continue the call. Tap on the top left corner to stop translating. Also change language. Here tap on other person. Here see me. So quite useful feature to transfer phone call in real time on a Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.